it's been a battle up and down, and, you know, mortgage payments and assessments coming, you know, left and right.
Nearly 6 years after the dam failure in Midland County, people who lost everything in the historic flood finally got their day in court. This morning, a trial started in Grand Rapids.
The fact that we're even in trial today, as you know, is a major victory for the dam victims.
Attorney Ben Johnson says the state has appealed lawsuits multiple times. This time, however, there's a judge in Grand Rapids listening to arguments.
What we're saying is the state of Michigan, by the acts of what it did wrong here, didn't do its job, allowed, if you will, water to be put behind the dam weeks before the flood, that therefore made it worse when the flood waters came in.
Johnson says that in turn caused the dam to breach. He says based on constitutional law, their claim is the state took land from these property owners without compensating them for it.
Right now, he's just dealing with what we call liability. So who's at fault, yes or no? To the state of Michigan, are they responsible?
For the people who lost their livelihoods in the historic 100-year flood, like Michael and Lisa Callan, they say it's been a constant battle.
Or like from property that we had dreams of spending the rest of our life at, stuff like that. I mean, it's just, that part will never go away, but, you know, a little bit of justice would help.
It's the justice they've wanted for so long. They've been left paying a mortgage for a home and a lake that's no longer there. And they also have to pay for the dam to get rebuilt.
We definitely feel that they failed us. I mean, right from the get, you know, no doubt about it.
Johnson says throughout the court battle, they wanted to stand up for the property owners like the Callans.
We have got to fight them when they hold them accountable. If this were done by a private entity or a private corporation, this case would have been over 4.5, 5 years ago. Money would have been paid.
The judge will be the ultimate deciding factor in this case. Then Johnson says, depending on what is decided, this will go to the damages phase trial, which he says could happen later this year or next year. Stay with Mid-Michigan Now as we continue to follow this developing story.